In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and clicking on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Then hold one of your photos you wish to get rid of and tap on Select All at the top right corner. Now to keep some of your pictures, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use pin icon at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!